What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you are a subscriber, thank you a lot, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video, we are going to end by selecting numbers, guys. Just like lucky numbers, guys. This one is premium numbers. Okay, let's play, guys. As you can see, guys, there's premium and then there's regular, guys. Okay, let's select the numbers. It's like you're playing lotto, guys. Random numbers. Submit. And then, guys, if you want to add another 6 numbers, guys, you can click here, guys. Click to watch a video. Or here, guys. Okay, let's do that, guys. Okay, guys, let's select these 6 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Submit. Hey, there's too much ads here, guys. Okay, guys, I have submitted my results. As you can see, guys, I have won 1667 coins, guys. If you want, you can play again, guys. On premium, guys, you earn 3 times, guys. Okay, back. Okay, no. Come on, man. Okay, no. Now you can come here, guys. Same thing, guys. You select your numbers, you submit, and then you earn, guys. Okay, back. And also, guys, you can end by inviting people, guys. Inviting your friends. Okay, let's come here, guys. Okay, back. Down. Okay, as you can see, guys, you can also complete offers, guys. As you can see, there are plenty of offers that you can complete to earn coins, guys. Okay, back. Now let's go to wallet. As you can see, guys, you can draw to Coinbase, ATM, Payer, Perfect Money, Add Cash, Amazon, PayPal, Litecoin, and Binance, guys. And Binance. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.